Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for all internet marketers out there. Affiliate marketing mistakes. Even seasoned marketers make mistakes, but the key is to identify and learn from them. We're going to expose the top 10 affiliate marketing pitfalls that could be silently sabotaging your success. Hit subscribe and the alert bell to never miss our money-making tips. Smash that like button if you're ready to boost your affiliate income. Let's kick things off with a mistake I see far too often: neglecting niche research. You can't just jump into a niche blindly and expect to make bank. You need to know your audience inside and out. What are their pain points, their desires, their biggest challenges? Thorough niche research gives you a competitive edge. It helps you understand the demand for products or services, identify your target audience's needs, and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're passionate about fitness and want to promote fitness products. Fitness is a vast ocean. You need to niche down further. Are you targeting busy professionals looking for quick workouts? Or maybe new moms trying to lose baby weight? Each segment has unique needs and preferences. By understanding these nuances, you can personalize your messaging and product recommendations, leading to higher conversion rates. Don't underestimate the power of niche research. It's the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Get to know your audience like the back of your hand. Trust me, it's time well spent. Now let's talk about another common mistake: underestimating advertising costs. Advertising is crucial for driving traffic and generating leads, but it can quickly drain your budget if you're not careful. Before you pump money into any advertising platform, you need to do your homework. Research different platforms, understand their pricing models, and calculate your potential return on investment. Don't assume that the platform with the most users is automatically the best fit for you. It's about finding the platform where your target audience hangs out. Are they on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest? Do your research and target your spending wisely. And remember, optimization is key. Constantly analyze their performance, tweak your targeting, and test different ad creatives. Even small adjustments can significantly impact your ROI. Remember, advertising is an investment, not an expense. By being strategic and data-driven, you can maximize your returns and avoid blowing your budget. Here's a truth bomb for you: the online world moves at lightning speed. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why staying on top of trends is crucial for affiliate marketers. If you're stuck promoting the same old products or using outdated strategies, you'll quickly fall behind. Your audience's needs and preferences are constantly evolving, and you need to adapt or risk becoming irrelevant. Make it a habit to consume industry news, follow influential figures in your niche, and keep an eye on emerging platforms and technologies. Attend webinars, listen to podcasts, and engage in online communities. The more you immerse yourself in the industry, the better equipped you'll be to spot trends early on. Embrace trends, leverage them to your advantage, and watch your affiliate marketing efforts soar. Promoting junk. Don't sacrifice trust for quick bucks. You can't build a sustainable affiliate marketing business by promoting low-quality products or services. Sure, you might make a quick buck, but at what cost? Your reputation is everything in the online world. If you're constantly pushing shoddy products on your audience, they'll quickly lose trust in you. Before you promote any product or service, do your due diligence. Try it yourself, read reviews from other users, and make sure it aligns with your values and the needs of your audience. You're recommending products to your audience, so you need to be selective and only promote those you genuinely believe in. Treat your audience with respect and only promote products that you would confidently recommend to your loved ones. In the long run, building a reputation for honesty and integrity will be far more valuable than any short-term gains. Email epic fail. Don't let your messages end up in the spam folder. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive conversions. However, using an ineffective email service can sabotage your efforts and do more harm than good. Think about it. You spend hours crafting the perfect email sequence, segmenting your audience, and personalizing your messages. But what happens when your emails end up in the spam folder? Or worse, they never even reach your subscribers' inboxes. Choosing the right email service provider is crucial for ensuring deliverability, managing your subscriber list, and tracking your email marketing performance. Don't settle for a free or cheap option that lacks essential features. Look for an email service provider that offers high deliverability rates. Your emails should reach your subscribers' inboxes, not their spam folders. Segmentation and personalization features. Tailor your messages to specific segments of your audience for better engagement. Automation capabilities. Automate your email sequences to save time and nurture leads effectively. Detailed analytics and reporting. Track open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics to measure your email marketing ROI. Treat your email list with care, and invest in an email service provider that can help you maximize its potential. Customer churn, don't let them slip through your fingers. Acquiring new customers is significantly more expensive than retaining existing ones. Yet, many affiliate marketers focus solely on attracting new leads while neglecting their current customer base. Your existing customers already know, like, and trust you. They've already made a purchase, which means they're more likely to buy from you again. Stay in touch with your customers through email marketing, social media, or even personalized handwritten notes. Offer exclusive discounts and promotions to show them you appreciate their business. Continue to provide valuable content that solves their problems and helps them achieve their goals. By focusing on customer retention, you'll not only increase your revenue but also create a loyal following that will advocate for your brand. Wrong audience, wrong results. Don't waste your efforts on the uninterested. If you're targeting the wrong audience, no matter how great your product or content is, you're unlikely to see significant results. Before you start creating content or launching campaigns, take the time to define your ideal customer. What are their demographics, their interests, their pain points? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your messaging, choose the right platforms to reach them, and offer products or services that genuinely resonate with their needs. It's better to have a smaller, highly engaged audience than a larger, indifferent one. Focus on attracting the right people, and you'll see a significant improvement in your conversion rates and overall success. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Target the right audience and watch your efforts pay off. Content is king, but quality reigns supreme. Don't bore your audience with mediocrity. In the world of online marketing, content is king. But not all content is created equal. If you're churning out mediocre, uninspired content, don't be surprised if your audience hits the unsubscribe button faster than you can say affiliate link. We're bombarded with content every single day. So how do you cut through the noise and capture your audience's attention? By creating high-quality, valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Your content is a reflection of your brand. It's an opportunity to showcase your expertise, build trust with your audience, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Add your unique perspective, share personal anecdotes, and provide actionable insights that your audience can implement immediately. Invest in high-quality visuals, use clear and concise language, and format your content for easy readability. Strive for excellence in everything you create, and your audience will reward you with their attention and loyalty. Partnership power, don't go it alone in the affiliate marketing jungle. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Partnering with other businesses or influencers in your niche can significantly expand your reach and boost your earnings. By collaborating with others, you can tap into their existing audience, leverage their credibility, and gain exposure to a whole new pool of potential customers. But not all partnerships are created equal. It's essential to choose partners that align with your brand values, target the same audience, and offer products or services that complement your own. Reach out to potential partners and propose mutually beneficial collaborations. This could involve guest blogging, co-hosting webinars, participating in joint ventures, or simply promoting each other's products or services. The key is to find creative ways to leverage each other's strengths and reach a wider audience. Remember, two heads are better than one, especially in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Traffic troubles. Don't let your affiliate links gather dust. You've created a killer website, chosen high-quality products to promote, and crafted compelling content. But if you don't have a solid plan for driving traffic to your affiliate links, all your efforts will be in vain. It's like building a beautiful store in the middle of the desert. No matter how amazing your products are, no one will find them if they don't know where to look. That's why having a traffic generation strategy is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Identify the channels where your target audience hangs out and create a plan to reach them effectively. This could involve a combination of optimize your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, CRPs. Engage with your audience on social media platforms, share valuable content, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Invest in targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads. Build an email list and nurture your subscribers with valuable content and promotional offers. Experiment with different channels, track your results, and focus on the strategies that deliver the best return on investment. Outro level up your affiliate game. The top 10 affiliate marketing mistakes that could be holding you back from achieving your full earning potential. By avoiding these mistakes and staying up to date on industry trends, you can succeed as an internet marketer and secure your place in the online business world. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt to succeed. Stay proactive, stay knowledgeable, and keep pushing forward. The sky's the limit. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the alert bell, and smash that like button for more money-making tips.